This is the part you say, oh, we can cut now. Hi everyone, my name is Hirzi, I'm 33 years old. I am an artist, a comedian and a politician, and I'm currently suffering from hair shedding. The first time I noticed my hair was shedding was probably 2019. At this point, I was like very abusive with my body. I could go on like 2 days without sleep and I was overworking my body. So 2019 was the first time I guess my body finally succumbed to all these bad habits of mine. And every time I showered, clumps of hair would drop on my hands. And at first I thought, oh, this is more normal than usual. But then it happened every other day and I started getting nervous. I think the point I said, this is getting like not normal when I notice a thinning patch, and I'm very observant, you know. I'm vain is what I'm trying not to say. So. No, let me say. the first time, okay, maybe cut lah. Now at that point, I don't know what was the cause of my hair loss. I tried to think genetically, do I have family members with hair loss problems? And the answer was yes and no. I remember having grandparents with very, very thick hair, but my uncles, I'm calling you up, my uncles have no hair. I've never called them out before, but yeah, uncles, you have no hair. So then I thought maybe it's genetic, and I started to research and see if this was something that I needed to address. And so I tried everything starting 2019. So when I was in the States, I was stuck there. I tried to take off-the-counter medication like finasteride. I even did topical sprays to try the hair growth. But this was just me researching on YouTube, not yet seeking a professional. When I came back, I tried to do the whole treatment in salons, and it was just not working. I was getting a lot anxious, honestly. And then the pandemic came. Scary, right? Stay tuned after the break. I think appearance is such a huge part of being in the showbiz. Like it or not, you are your product. And so I know that grooming is so important. And some people are blessed with bone structures or head shapes that can carry out the crew cut look. Not me. I know this because I've been through national service. I just don't have a nice cerebral bone. Without hair, I look like a moon. It's true. Someone said that in national service. Oh, you look like a crescent moon. Got my jaw very long. Why you all laugh? Don't laugh. It's very sad. It's very sad. So I'm very insecure. So seriously speaking though, I'm pretty insecure if hair loss is something I have to deal with over time. And I had to find every way possible to salvage it. The most frustrating thing is every time I tell my friends about it, every time I reach out and say, look, I think I'm facing this problem, people don't see it because people don't know your hair like you know your hair. You know how dense your hair was before. And so when people dismiss it, I felt very frustrated because I thought like, am I gaslighted right now? Like, I know what I'm experiencing, but they don't see it. And I think that is always the time that is actually the most crucial to salvage hair. You know, when you notice it's shedding, but at a stage where it's not too late. And I think a lot of people notice it when it's a little too late. So trust your instinct and you know your body best. Don't get dismissed or gaslighted by your friends. Oh, no lah, you still got hair. I know how much hair I had before this. 15 strands before the shower. More. Oof. I was not in the knowledge of anything hair health. So there is this a mass source of information online which you can independently find, but like most times it's frustrating because you don't know if you're doing the right thing for you. Like sometimes I wonder, is it like a internal health thing? You know, is this hair shedding a symptomatic result of something else internal? So I knew that a huge bulk of my concern needed to be addressed by a professional. It wasn't just something that salons could save. I wanted to know internally on a health level, where was this problem stemming from? Even though I tried anything and everything at the start, I knew eventually I had to knock on the door of a professional. I think first things first, always trust your observation. You know your body best. Don't second guess yourself, or don't let other people's dismissal of what your experience is tell you that, hey, you know what, you know, you can it's not a problem yet. And don't always think that these things are it could be solved from just online searches, and sometimes you can, but it's always best to seek a medical professional help. I think that's where you are assured, okay, this is something that I can solve topically, or something that requires a little bit more intensive and extensive treatments. And yeah, don't do it when it's too late. Like, I know so many bros out there, right, who, like, right now they know it's thinning already and it's obvious to everyone, then they think it's too late also. No, then why did you wait until it's too late? Why people wait? Don't be like, maybe this is not hair loss lah. Maybe it's just I wash too much. And then you wash and hair come out, oh yeah, like it's hair loss. What's wrong with you? Hi, my name is Hirzi and I stand against hair loss.